What is good, everybody? My name is Wesley from WesleysTechTime. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are here with PC Showcase episode number 5. If you don't know what PC Showcase is, this is a series where I show you guys a different PC build each month with different price points. This month is $1,200. If you're not familiar with PC Showcase, some of the rules are it doesn't have to include an OS, a monitor, or any type of peripheral at all. It also doesn't need to include an optical drive, as most people already either have all of those or they have them easily accessible. Now let's get right into the video. If you love the game but hate paying the high price for games, be sure to check out G2A for some of the cheapest CD keys there are around. The link is in the description down below. To start off this build, we go with the AMD Ryzen 7 1700X processor. It's an 8-core processor clocked at 3.4 GHz, so it can handle pretty much any game you throw at it on medium to high settings, and it's only about $230. To cool the processor, we go with the CryoRig H7 CPU cooler. Now this is a pretty basic cooler, but it looks pretty cool and it's only about $40. To hold the processor and the fan, we go with the Asus Strix V350F gaming motherboard. This is an ATX motherboard, it has all the stuff you need, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and plenty of USB ports for only about $120. For the RAM, we chose the typical Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. This is two 8GB sticks for a total of 16GB total at DDR4. It's 24 MHz, so that's pretty good for most programs and games nowadays, and it's about $120. For the storage, I chose the Seagate FireQ, the 2TB hybrid hard drive. Now this is perfect because it gives you the performance of an SSD, but with the storage capacity of a hard drive without having a high price tag. Now that's about $100, but if you do want to go with a standard SSD, you can go with the Samsung 850 EVO, and that'll be about $140 itself. For the graphics card, I chose the EVGA GeForce GTX 1060. This is a 6GB model. It'll last for years to come. It's also plenty powerful enough for any game you can throw at it on pretty much high settings. Next up is the power supply. I chose the Corsair RMX 650 watt edition. Now this is 80 plus gold certified, it's fully modular, and it's only about $100. Last but not least is the case. For that I chose the Fantex Eclipse P400S. Now this is a beautiful tempered glass ATX form factor case, so it can hold all of our stuff and have plenty of room to upgrade stuff in the future, and it's only about $85. All in all, this build will cost you about $1,150, so if you want to throw in some extra RGB strips or a peripheral or two or something like that, you can with a little bit of money that you have left over. Anyhow, that's all for this video. If you guys did like, be sure to click the like button down below and subscribe for all these new videos coming out. I'm pretty excited and hope you guys are enjoying all this new content. Anyhow guys, my name is Wesley from WesleysTechTime, and I will catch you guys on the flippity flop.